Hi, my name is Lisette and I'm a beauty content creator. Today we're creating this beautiful makeup tutorial inspired by an eyeshadow palette by the Care Bears. So if you're ready to watch me create this beautiful tutorial, keep on watching. Happy to see you here. I will get started with my base. I am going to be using Mirrored Skin Instant Glow Serum. This serum right here is very liquidy. It is very liquidy, so I like to apply 2 pumps of this on my skin. See how glowy it is? It really makes my skin glow and makes it very hydrating. This makeup is mainly going to be focused on the eyes. My base is going to be very minimal. Going with M Cosmetics, this is their Daydream Cushion SPF foundation with this antibacterial puff. This foundation has skincare loving ingredients, but also the beauty of it is it feels like skin. It's not heavy at all. It is very lightweight. I always like to have a dewy finish because my skin is more so on the drier side now. I used to have combination skin and sometimes I feel like I do depending on the seasons, but not always because it also depends where you live, weather changes and whatnot. Hence I went in first with a glowy serum as well. Now let's get started with our eye makeup. Going in with a concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Blend it all out. I will go ahead and apply some concealer a little bit here, and here to lift the eyes. Let's get started with our eye makeup inspired by the Care Bears. So look at this beautiful palette. We're going to be using 3 different shades, the pink one, the purple one, and then the blue one. And because we want to make this look magical, we're adding some shimmers on top of the matte shades. So these 3 right here, Best Friend, Fun Shine, and True Heart Bear. Starting with the purple shade from our inner corner, dragging it to the center of the eyes, and then the pink shade so we can create a grading effect, and then we're adding the blue shade for our outer V. Now I remember I had this shadow shield and I wanted to create a sharper edge, so this is why I decided to use this shadow shield. We're repeating the same step on the other side of our eye. Now we're adding the shimmery shades on top of our matte shades. And now we're going to be repeating the same steps on our bottom lash line. Let's clean this brush. And again, apply the shimmery shades on top of the matte shades on our bottom lash line. I'm adding and dragging True Heart Bear from my inner corner to my bottom lash line. Okay, so now I'm using one brush out of this set here. I got it at a craft store, and I'm just going to be dipping this brush into this waterproof eyeliner to start creating the clouds. You know, I am really channeling my inner child and I'm trying to be more creative with my eye makeup looks. So this is why I decided to go the extra mile and create this type of makeup tutorial. Really cute, fun, colorful, and actually, I mean, it's the Care Bears. Let me know if you watch this cartoon growing up too. Now let's add some stars too, because we're up in the clouds and there has to be some stars. Now I'm using this lash glue eyeliner because we're going to be adding some falsies. Continuing with the cute theme, we're using these lashes that are very wispy and they have purple color in it and black. How cute are these? Now let's finish the eyes by using this liquid eyeliner. Now let's pop the lashes off camera. Ta-da! Do not forget to tightline the eyes. I know this looks a little bit scary and it takes practice to do, but we got it. To make the eyes more wider, I'm using this shadow stick in a beige color. Do not forget to add mascara to your bottom lashes. Now I was thinking, what else can I add to make this even more magical? Of course, we have to add some glitter. So I'm using this glitter right here and popping it on our stars and also inside our clouds. Just because this eye makeup is turning out to look very dreamy. Place the glitter also on your bottom lash line. And of course, we have to take this up a notch. Let's add some rhinestones because girl, why not? To look more dolly-like, I'm adding this pink blush. Now this blush will make you glow. There's no need to add more highlighter. Let's contour the lips with this contour wand. To complete this look, let's add some gloss so we can shine even more and this look even cuter. Yes! This dreamy Care Bears inspired look is complete.
We held hands that everything would be okay.
This is the first time I have created a look like this. I was very inspired by this palette, by the Care Bears. I used to watch them growing up and just the clouds, the stars, all the colors, the rainbows. I just felt really inspired, just sat down and started filming and creating out of the blue. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to create amazing. Take care.
We're alive.